Hello, I'm Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Today I'm going to make a chocolate cherry dump cake in a cast iron loaf pan on the Weber Spirit. Should take about 40 minutes to cook. I'm going to do it indirect on the grill. Let's see if we can't mess this up. Okay, the grill's right about 350 degrees. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this stick of butter, I'm going to grease this pan real good so we don't get anything sticking on it. Just real quick, all the way around, make sure you get those corners. Up, down the sides, get it all. Because I'd hate to have to use a chisel to clean this out when we're done. Alright, now I'm going to just take the can, like it says, dump it in. Nothing fancy. Get all that out of there. I'm going to use a lid and smooth this out a little bit. Just like that. See? Nothing fancy. It's food. You're going to eat it. We're going to take half this cake, since I'm only doing half a recipe in a loaf pan. We're just going to do half the cake. And again, right on top, just dump that in. Cover everything, nice and even. Oh baby, this is going to be good. Spread that out a little bit. Just like that. All right, now we need butter, because what the heck, it's a cake, it needs butter. And we're going to put pats all the way around the side of this thing. It's cold out. It snowed. We had about 3 inches of snow yesterday, but today it's up to about 45 degrees. So man, I could not wait to get out here. Whoop. Get that butter in there all the way around the edges, and that's what's going to make this darn good. And you could use peach filling, strawberry, whatever you want, apple, but man, in my book, nothing beats chocolate covered cherries. So that's what I'm going to do here. A little piece of that corner. Both of them set in medium, so I'm putting that right in the middle. Close the lid. I got a timer set for a half hour. When that beeps, we're going to see what we got. So, like I said, it doesn't get any easier than this. Alright, I know you shouldn't do this, but we're going to cheat. I wanted to open this up and show you what this looks like. Look at that. It's getting all bubbly and gooey. We got about 18 more minutes left on here, and I think we might end up going a little bit over that, but we'll see. We'll take our first check in 18 minutes and we'll go from there. Okay, you ready for this? Look at that. Look, it's all bubbly around the outside. It's all baked up in the center. That butter's all gooey. We're calling this done. I'm pulling it off the grill, and we're gonna let it cool off, because right now it's literally hot lava. And I don't know, as soon as it cools off enough, we're gonna try it, because that looks darn good to me. All right, I brought this chocolate cherry cheese mix in here. Oh my gosh, look at that. The cherries. The cake, I don't know how that cake even filled up like that. It was just powder. I think it's still 1,000,000 degrees. It's been in here for almost an hour now. Holy crap. That is so freaking good. like I said, it doesn't get any better than chocolate covered cherries. And man, that's it. I gotta take another bite of this. Oh yeah. This is gonna go to every party I ever go to. I did it in a cast iron because every month we do a grilling challenge, and this month was cook anything in a cast iron skillet or pan or whatever. I think that's got it. What do you think, TJ? Enough said, right? All right, so that's chocolate cherry dump cake. You can do vanilla, you can do a yellow cake, you can do whatever you want to put inside it. Just the butter on the top makes everything happen. I couldn't believe how easy that is. We're definitely doing that one again. So stand by.